So you've got your forklift certification, and now you're switching jobs. Can you just hand over that little wallet card and start driving on day one? Not exactly. Let me break down what really happens and how to keep your forklift career moving forward. Hey, welcome back to Forklift Training Guide channel, your go-to for forklift training, certification tips, and career advice. If you want to level up your skills and job chances, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Here's the quick truth. In the US, OSHA requires that forklift operators are trained and certified. But here's the thing. That certification is tied to your employer, not just you personally. So when you move to a new company, there are a few things you need to know. Under OSHA rules, forklift training isn't one size fits all. Your old company certified you for their specific equipment in their specific work environment. If you join a new company, they're required to make sure you're trained on their forklifts and that you understand their workplace hazards. Even if you've got the card, they still have to check your skills. Now, your previous certification isn't useless. It can prove you've already been trained, which may speed things up. Sometimes the new employer will just do a skills check instead of full training, especially if your experience is recent and matches their equipment. You'll probably need complete training again if, number 1, you're switching to a totally different type of forklift. Number 2, the work environment is very different. Number 3, it's been more than 3 years since your last evaluation. Number 4, if there's been an accident or unsafe behavior. Here's how to make the move easier. Keep a copy of your training records and wallet card. Ask your old employer for training details. Be open to refresher courses. They make you safer and more employable. Just a quick recap. You can't just transfer your forklift certification like a driver's license. Your new company still needs to train or evaluate you, but your old cert can give you a head start. If you're starting a new forklift job and want to be ready, check out the online forklift certification link in the description. It's a great way to refresh your skills before day one. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your own forklift training experience. Your story might help someone else.